All right, babe, here's a big one. Does coffee break your fast, true or false?
False. Unless, of course, you're dumping a cup of milk and sugar in it.
You're right. And that's exactly what we're diving into today. The biggest myths about fasting. What's actually true and what's completely false.
Because let's be honest, there's a lot of misinformation out there. Some of it harmless, but some of it might be stopping you from getting the best results.
If you've ever heard something about fasting and thought, wait, is that even true? This episode is for you.
We're fasting together, stronger forever, bonded by the trials we weather.
Welcome to the Fasting Together podcast. I'm Kele, here with my amazing wife, Ada.
Hello everyone. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome. This podcast is all about fasting, not just for health, but for growth, mindset, and relationships.
Okay, first up, fasting slows down your metabolism and puts you in starvation mode. What do you think, babe?
This one is a classic. People hear not eating and immediately assume my metabolism will crash. But science actually says the opposite.
Yep, studies show that fasting actually increases adrenaline and norepinephrine, which helps burn fat, not store it. It's like a metabolic reset.
If you've been worried about fasting slowing your metabolism, don't be. Your body is smarter than that.
So according to some people, if we fast too much, we'll end up looking like skeleton. True or false?
False. And I mean, just look at the research. Fasting actually helps preserve lean muscle mass while burning fat.
Exactly. Studies show fasting can increase human growth hormone, HGH, by up to 2,000%. That means more muscle protection and better fat loss.
The key, strength training and protein during eating windows. If you're lifting weights and eating enough protein, you won't lose muscle. You'll actually get leaner and stronger.
Okay, babe, this one is for you. Women shouldn't fast because it messes up their hormone. What do you think?
I hear this a lot and I get it. Hormones are important, but here's the truth. Women can fast safely if they do it the right way.
Absolutely. So what's the best way for women to fast without issues?
Start slow. Don't jump into long fast overnight. Cycle fasting around your menstrual cycle if needed. Prioritize nutrient-dense meals when you fast.
So ladies, if someone tells you women can fast, don't believe it. Just adjust what works best for you. What? You mean skipping breakfast won't ruin my life?
Nope. The idea that breakfast is the most important meal of the day was actually pushed by, wait for it, the cereal industry.
And research shows skipping breakfast actually helps control hunger hormones and improves fat burning.
So if you're not hungry in the morning, you don't have to fast breakfast. Listen to your body.
All right, now we want to hear from you. What's the biggest fasting myth you've heard? Drop it in the comments.
And if you want real science-backed fasting information, check out our book Fasting Together. It covers everything we've learned about fasting as a couple.
And don't forget to download the Fasting Together Bonded app. It's the perfect way to track your fast, share your wins, and stay connected with your partner through every step of the journey. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss next week's episode, ADF Social Success Secrets.
Until then, keep growing, keep loving, and let's fast together.
We're fasting together, stronger forever, bonded by the trials we weather. Holding on, we harmonize, together we fast, together.